Okay, it's 2026. I feel about overusing words. I'm like, fuck words. the ones that are real don't even need the words. Like, what am I doing all this talking for? What am I doing all this talking for? When I could just be me. Yeah, I'm a little strange compared to many others, but fuck, it feels good to be me. Dia Mario Putusinyaka. I call all parts of my soul to here and now, all of my power to here and now, and all of my energy to here and now. I live in gratitude for this day, for all of the many blessings that are showered on me in every moment. May we all come together in peace and love and joy. Build the kingdom of heaven here.